Travelers of the world, welcome, is the name of this resto bars. You will find many such resto bars located in this stretch between Kandolim and Kalangut. So let's move ahead and have a look at other resto bars. I just love passing by this lane and watching this resto bars from outside. And here is another one. This is Tomato. Let's go near Tomato and have a look. What are they doing? There's a man sitting and singing, and very melodiously he's singing, and that's the reason what attracted me, and I stood by there. It's written live music night. Live music nights are every night when you go in the season. The season starts from October till it goes on till this February. December is the highest peak season, so I would suggest please don't visit this in the month of November and December. We visited in October. October was the season beginning, so there are only Indian tourists over here. So let's move forward and have a look at other resto bar. And then this is another resto bar which I stood by. I love this person singing there again, and that's the reason I stood here. I enjoyed and now moved forward. And this is one of the most famous of Goa, especially of Kandolim, the Fisherman's Cove. Those who have visited Goa must have definitely visited Fisherman's Cove. Yeah, I too have visited, but not from inside. I visit this from outside. Especially the music played over here and the song played right now is such a mesmerizing song, the Goan song, and that's why I. And now we have moved to the Baga lane. This is the famous Tito's. Can you see the people dancing inside? Can you see the chandeliers and the music and the people and the aroma over there? And let's have a look at these girls dancing. They are just enjoying. This is a girls' gang and they're full on enjoying. And let's move forward. Let's not see them. It's very bad to look at people. Fine. And now just have a look how this Tito's lane looks like. Okay, we are moving towards the Baga beach. Okay, this is the Tito's lane. You can see Baga beach at the dead end. Okay, so I'll go to the Baga's beach, but before that let me just show you this Tito's lane again. Okay, this side we have something other, and you have like shoes and all these markets and everything. And then we were very tired, so what we did is we stopped a vehicle nearby. We parked our vehicle in the Baga parking, and now we are walking, and we are facing towards some restaurants because we don't prefer bars, and we prefer mostly halal, but we didn't find one. We had to just move forward. And then now we have reached this beach. You can find many beach shacks, people here, all the young generation. 90% of the people here are the young generation dancing, and mostly couples enjoying. And then the lightings and shamianas and canopies. And here I saw this boat in front of this resto bar. So I thought, let me also go, okay, and just shake my legs and come back. So the music was very nice, and that's the reason I moved forward. I asked my husband to click, and then I tried doing something. I know I'm doing it very funnily, but then that's all right. Nobody to judge me. And I found a very interesting thing, this swing, okay, and the song going on, and that's why I was there. And let's move ahead. This is harbor, okay. And then we saw here, it was really very good, people dancing. Okay, we didn't eat here also. I'm a very budget traveler. I don't like spending more money. We had a look at the menu, we had a look at the prices, but then I didn't like them. And that's the reason we just enjoyed the night. We enjoyed the night together, seeing everything.